Well, hello guys, welcome to our explanation session about our gripper. Unfortunately, it's not fully assembled yet, but we will explain something bottom up. So I will start with the chamber for the motor. And as we saw, the chamber was a bit too big to fit in. That's because we took the wrong specifications as we took it for the large motor. So for the next printing session we will use the right specifications, and in that way the motor will fit. So that's for the chamber part.
Yeah, I'll talk about the gears, because for the gears there have also been some mistakes, and most importantly the tolerances for the shafts are off. So for these shafts were supposed to fit in here, but they're too big, and for the gears too, the middle one might have to become a bit bigger to increase the torque on the smaller ones and to increase the forces we can apply. And then on to the next part.
Was told there's been some slight mistakes, and therefore the connection points are too small for the top plate to fit on the gear part. I don't know who's next.
And then finally, well, we are happy to say that at least we do have some form of a working principle so that it does close. The only issue is that the tension or the force of the spring is too strong at the bottom joint. So it will pull the whole thing together instead of making it curl. Additionally, the forces acting right now, if you can see, are pulling it in the wrong direction, which is causing the part to want to turn this way instead of it rotating this way. So we do have to change the force direction, but that will be simple, just be inverting the channel of the wire. But we are happy to say at least there is some form of a working principle that it does close to an extent when there's tension on the string.
So another problem that we encountered was that the tolerances were not taken into account. So the holes are most of the time too big, and some other things are too small. So we have to take that into consideration for the next time. And as you might think, this is too small to pick up an egg, but we did that on purpose because we wanted to be environmental friendly and use don't use too much material, because we wanted to reduce the printing time. So for the second printing we will make everything bigger, so it will work. Oh, except of the base plate, this is too big and an egg will fall out of this part, so we will make that smaller. I think that's it. Peace out.